What up, Wolfpack? Strife here, Driftwolf Gaming, and I just wanted to let you guys know that we are gonna be playing Hot Wheels Unleashed, the Challenge Accepted Edition. So I found this actually on a specific website in Belgium, where it was a lot cheaper. Well, a lot cheaper. It was just a tiny bit cheaper than it was here in the Netherlands, and it actually came in as of today because it's release day right now. So I'm gonna try and open this up with one hand, even though that's a very appalling and difficult. But yeah, really cool stuff. I wanted a present for myself because my birthday's coming up, so I bought this. And it apparently has a Hot Wheels Pass Volume 1 steelbook, two-sided poster, and the Bone Shaker car, which is this little car right here. Now, personally, I don't really care about the toys. This is gonna sound like blasphemy, but I think they're all really cool. But I'm more into the realistic cars, you know, like the Falcon, A86, the drift cars, the Formula Drift cars, stuff like that, the GT86, S15s, and 350Zs, and all that stuff. So that's just more my pick. So yeah, I'm not hating on it at all. So we're gonna drop this one out. Apparently, this is the whole thing that I took out, except the car and anything else. So that's great. Just gonna turn it around like this. Whoa, it's driving out. Okay, so here we have the Bone Shaker. It's pretty cool looking. So let's see if there's any info on there. Oh, I should turn it around. Maybe there's info on there on how much P20. You can't really see on the camera here what's 2005. Oh, there we go. Made in NL Thailand. What? NL is Netherlands. That's weird. Okay, anyway, it doesn't really matter. So we have our poster right here, which again, I don't really care for. It's going to be a small poster. It's just going to be this front right here. And what else do we have? We have the game. I think that's it in the box, right? Yeah, that's it. So we have the game here. Now I got to be careful because there might be a specific code in there, so I'm going to open it up first over here. Yeah, see, that's what I thought. There's a code in there that I don't want people to see because, again, it's my code. And that's how I need to use that. So this is just a game right here. And yeah, this has been a very simple and fast unboxing of the PlayStation 5 version of Hot Wheels Unleashed. This is the steelbook. That's the poster. That's the Bone Shaker. And we have our Volume 1 Season Pass. So I'll be streaming this probably after this video. So see you guys in the next one, and please stay tuned for the live stream. Thank you very much. Peace.